How to launch flash sales notification with n8n and SMS. You hit go live on your flash sale and instantly hundreds of loyal customers receive an SMS alert. No spreadsheets, no copy pasting number, just real time notification that drive traffic and sales. This tutorial shows you how to detect flash sale triggers automatically, how to validate customer phone numbers, send personalized SMS notification at lightning speed, and track who received the message. Everything is fully automated, interactive, and imported ready for n8n. Let's go. So you have the first node, the webhook flash sale trigger. How do you start the flash sale notification? From a dashboard, admin panel, or any service that sends a webhook when the sales go live. Let's open it. You have the path flash sale, as you can see. What it does, capture the sale name, the discount, and customer list from your admin system. Next is the function to validate the phones. How do you ensure messages aren't sent to invalid numbers? Quick regex check and optional formatting for international SMS. Let's open this function. What this does, this filter out invalid phone number before sending. Only validated customers continue. Next node is the SMS node that will send the flash sale alert. How do you notify each customer instantly? By sending a personalized SMS using your preferred provider. For example, Twilio, Vonage, etc. This delivers the sale notification to each valid customer immediately and fully personalized. The message will be like this: flash sale JSON sale name is live. Enjoy JSON discount of the day. Shop now, and will be the http://yourstore.com/flash sale. And the final node is the function log delivery. How do you keep a record of who received the SMS? By log the deliveries for auditing and analytics. This function generates a structured log of every sent message with a timestamp. So let's recap. First, you have the trigger, the webhook that captures flash sale event, the validation function that filters invalid phone number, the notification SMS node that sends the personalized alerts, and the login function that records delivery detail. So now you have your flash sale SMS workflow that is now fully automated. That was all for this tutorial, guys. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.